Hello, kids. Let's learn about the weather.
It's cloudy. The sky is full of fluffy clouds, Clued.
It's foggy. We can't see very far.
It's rainy. Don't forget your umbrella. Snowy, let's build a snowman.
Okay, I'll make the head,
I'll help with the middle.
and I'll do the arms.
It's sunny. A bright and happy day.
It's windy. The wind is blowing fast. It's hot. Stay cool and drink water.
It's cold. Wear warm clothes. Which weather do you like the most? Comment in the comment section and you will.